Relationships are built on trust, communication, and, of course, making each other happy. But if you're wondering, how exactly do you make her happy? Well, it's not about grand gestures all the time. It's the little things that truly count, from showing appreciation to being there when it matters most. Let's dive into what really makes her feel loved and valued. First and foremost, active listening is key. And I don't mean just hearing her words. I'm talking about truly listening and understanding. Women love to feel heard, and sometimes they just want someone who will pay attention without interrupting. So when she's talking about her day, listen. Put your phone down, make eye contact, and engage. Ask questions to show you care. Trust me, this simple act can go a long way in making her feel valued. Second, show appreciation. Next up, show appreciation. It might seem small, but telling her how much you appreciate her can brighten her day. Whether it's thanking her for the little things she does or just reminding her how lucky you are to have her in your life. Appreciation matters. Women want to feel cherished, not taken for granted. So tell her she looks beautiful, thank her for her efforts, and remind her that she's amazing. Simple words, big impact. Third, be supportive. Another huge one, be supportive. Whether it's her career, personal goals, or just emotional support when she's going through something tough. Being there for her makes a huge difference. Women appreciate a partner who's there through both the highs and lows. So encourage her to chase her dreams and be the first person to support her decisions. This creates a partnership based on trust and mutual respect. Fourth, thoughtful gestures. Thoughtful gestures go a long way. It's not always about grand romantic acts. Sometimes it's the little things that show her you're thinking about her. Whether it's bringing her favorite snack, writing a sweet note, or planning a surprise date, it's these small moments that build a deeper emotional connection. You don't have to break the bank, just show that you're thinking of her, and she'll notice. 5, keep the romance alive. Now let's talk about keeping the romance alive. It's easy to get caught up in routine, but romance shouldn't fade away. Continue doing the things that made her fall for you in the first place. Take her out on dates, surprise her with something sweet, or just make her feel special. The excitement doesn't have to end after the honeymoon phase. It's about continuing to nurture the relationship and keeping that spark alive. 6, respect her space. And finally, respect her space. Every person needs time to themselves, whether it's for self-care or personal hobbies. Giving her space to be her own person shows maturity in the relationship. Don't crowd her, allow her to have her independence. This shows that you respect her as an individual, and it actually strengthens the bond between you. So there you have it, folks. Remember, making her happy isn't about trying to be perfect. It's about showing genuine care, respect, and thoughtfulness. Every relationship is different, so take the time to learn what makes your partner feel loved and appreciated. And trust me, those little efforts will go a long way in creating a happy, healthy relationship.